Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur a part of video in CapCut PC. So here, let's say I want to blur certain persons in this video. So what you need to do first is copy and paste the clip like this. And then after that, go to effects and find the blur effect. This one. So I'm going to drag it and apply it to the overlay. So now the video will be blurred just like this. If you want to adjust the duration, just do it so by dragging it like this, but I'm going to make it the whole video. And if you want to only blur a certain part, let's use masking. So click on the video, find mask, then select the shape that you want. So I'm going to just use the circle masking, and here I'm going to say blur this person's right here. You can adjust the size like that. And now only this part will be blurred. Let's see the result. Okay, so it will be like that. And if you want to blur, let's say another person, you can just copy this overlay and paste it on top. So there are two overlays like this, and now add the masking, the blur effects again to the overlay like this. And now click on the video and go to mask again. Then just move this blur into the person that you want to, like this. So now the video will go like so. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.